Okay, it's making a movie for Grandma. What do you want to say to Grandma?
Happy birthday.
You want to sing the happy birthday song for her?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead. You have to sing the happy birthday song first, and then we can look at it. Okay?
No, I can't look at it.
What are you holding? What's J for?
My phone, Mommy.
I don't know. What's J for?
Yes.
Oh. Did you just have a birthday?
Yeah, like Grandma.
Like Grandma. So how old are you?
3.
3? How old do you think Grandma is?
4.
Grandma's 4?
Yeah.
How nice.
No, Dylan's 4.
Well, Dylan's 4. How old is Grandma? What do you think? You want Mommy to tell you?
Yeah.
Grandma is 60.
Grandma is 60.
Yeah, that's right. Now, shall we sing the happy birthday song for Grandma?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Happy birthday. Can you sing louder so she can hear you? You have to sing right here in the camera.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yay.
Then you sing, happy birthday to
Grandma. Happy birthday to you. Yay.
You want to tell Grandma I love you?
I love you.
And I miss you.
I miss you. And see that picture.
Okay. Say bye-bye, Grandma.
Bye-bye, Mama.